What's up, my beautiful people? We're there once again. I know so this time you only really call this a review. More we call this a reasoning. Yeah, reasoning. More so to the ladies them. Why? This song basically was written for you. Do you think there's a place in dancehall for this kind of music? Remember now, it's not R&B, it's not rap, it's dancehall. So, is it like whenever there's an opportunity for catch out a Jamaican and say yes, he's doing it, that's what make it so controversial? Khago last song or review, girl come sit down in my place. We all are assuming that it mean face because the way the song was written, the way the song was constructed, you understand, and the way you put the words them, we all say boy, a face. I know Miss Lassie a face. But at the end of the day, you never say face, so we still can win a court. And a lot of female are gravitate to it because me myself I do an interview with Khago. And female calling and them a go crazy. Oh, they just dying for going in place and but we know so that they want to say they just want to go pop in their face. Yo, they wicked. Yo, the struggles. It's real. Fam, right now to them, struggle is real, me make sure I put on all a struggle is real t-shirt. I didn't this say thing the car. Just me alone saying the struggle is real. Yo. You can't mount up to a real struggle is. But anyhow, Khago brand new song. Seems like a part 2. This tune your name Long Gun Boy. Long Gun Boy. So we're going to review, we're going to reason through the tune and listen to it as Long Gun Boy. But you know how the thing set. If you feel like this is something a bit wobbly, we have to point it out. You understand? You can ground that. Because this is the thing they do. So watch now, we'll kick it right now. Khago start the tune like this.
Yeah. Yeah, last time I see a bad boy like me, clever. Bad boy. Yeah.
So right there, so here I start it. And last time them must say a bad boy like this, clever bad boy. So right now that sound like a scary face start. You know one time scary face in a bar and drunk and say, this is the last time you will see a bad guy like this. Say hello to the bad guy. So Safari man says she love a man with a long gun. It's a long gun man she like. At this point, long gun can mean anything. So before we jump and assume, make we listen some more.
She said the long gun make she feel safe. Go feet in the closet and some boys got shape. Somebody man and mix up the face with place when girl.
Alright, this one I need to review this word by word cause I don't understand the closet. But you know say this is Khago I disrespect people. Word for word. Word for word. She said the long gun makes she feel safe. Go fit in the closet and some boy start shape. Well, probably I can't in tongue cause when tongue would I do in the closet? Cause after coming to my place, me assume at that moment in the out of the closet. Further on in the review, this is where Khago went very disrespectful. Some batty man a mix up place with face. You know say Khago a style all who do review on him video mention face. So after I said them a mix up face with pace. So now, instead when the girl them come in place, then get the 9 from him waist. And show him ever have him Glock on him base. Some boy vex, show them a fire 38. The woman a tell him say, I couldn't hear them a try violate. And she store enough for them boy they a hit hood straight. With the bum buckler. It seems like an upset Khago on him play song. That's what Khago says. He reload and call our friend and empty everything upon them. How are they bomb buck, lad? People may have to go back. Yo, maybe. Okay, a big long gun use run out upon them. Extra clipping empty out upon Karen. Then tell her to go call her friend. From sometime them artists I work with more subliminal message now and confuse listeners, you know. Don't like it. No. A Ratned. Well, you know what's a Ratned I'm talking for a long time when time I scissor them a war and then some rasta and then declare some on a rasta. Then time they say my Ratned. So it look like probably that's when Chimka eventually ratting off. I don't know. Then call me threesome general. Well, we know that. That's why me almost get beaten for threesome. After me there, I talk about me threesome. Some bobo come and offer me beat down. Hope you pick your grave pot in a Kingston. Cause Foxy Brown say you love roll tongue. You see you come and flex like the reggae bully. When you and bread back a play me. What? When you and bread back catch up a play catch it do me. What you do to nice man you coulda never do me. Me suicide the lad that alone do me. If you say, when me live, when the door have a close, when me know say you live up a Richins Avenue, me will make her kitty put the bomb in your shoe. Or the chef poison your fufu. Anyway, the rifle wave. Bumbo clad, then tune that the crabby. Yeah, back to this one now. Same say you know some of the threesome general. No a 5 gal minimal. Some part just miss out to call about it. Me will catch it from the part when say ask your girl where your girl like about him. She like a man with a long gun. You know you are going, you know. Alright, instead gun then. You see if you have a gun and no gun shot, you just make it stay there. So here, you nobody go try stretch out nothing for if you have no long gun. You just load it, there's something there. If I no fear, I no fear. If I fear, do your thing. God go with you. We not go. You understand? But if I know you're something that does loud the extra clean tongue something there. And on the business where people are doing their personal home or their personal life, you know. But you see as a reviewer or as a critic, when these tunes come up in the media, especially when time my fans them send them come and people them send them come and say I need to review them. I have to come review them. Whether me want to do it yes or no. But once the request is there, I have to come review them. You see me? And me not gonna come review it for please you or for how you want it to be. I go review it how me feel about it. You understand? But whatever you do in your yard, me no business. You see me? But if me feel like say something, I go tell someone to go do it. When I do it, me say no, if I know something where you did want to. Nobody listen what I go on and go do it. Just like how with a gunman song, I tell a man say you nobody listen lyrics and go out there go kill people, try live the life. So me have to involve in it. You understand? Anyway, the nonsense there, anyway, whatsoever the crap has to be there, if you always set the listeners straight because you always have a bag of listener. So, if you like to have oral sex that are your business, or your thing that me can't tell you if live, me no business with your life. But when my job for done, me I put in my works and me I do it how me feel. The struggle is real. Me feel for as cliff. I feel like crush out that stiff right now. It's real. Well, yes, people will just listen to the brand new track from Khago, the one named Long Gun. Although most people, as again, would I say it's a clean version, so they probably want a long tongue. But I'm listening cleanestly, and like the first song coming on my place was more, yes. But one time you listen to this panel levels, you can't put it 100% say boy I'm attacking tongue. Even though it's still subliminal. But one time you look upon it on the artistic side of it, you know. You have to give them the artist in prop now, because we don't know say Khago put in him works and back then, and him have some hard tune, him have a catalog. You understand? So, for a man write a tune like this, even come song to my place, and no matter what even me say, or what anyone one of the vloggers say, we still can't go quote and win. That in itself a creativity. How much artists can sit down and literally construct a tune like that, word for word, and word for word. A man wants to say something else, but no matter what you want to say, and that him say. Like the one as well too, Long Gun. And all the business set still, you know, controversy working in business, okay, right now, Khago been receiving a lot of highlights as well. And gonna joke upon that, listen me. I do an interview, the interview up on my page, so you can check it out as well. Female them all call in and attack. Me also big up J area, me also watch J area the interview, and the female them a call, and the female them a cheer. So it's like a we the crux them and Ray, I say Ray. But as me always say, me no business that way a person want doing that in life, you know, for them thing, but me respond to the media, and whatever drop in front of me on the media, and the fans them say Rawpa, we need to hear your opinion on that. We need to hear your reviews on that. We need your take on that. So more time, one time I see me just come and review. Review by request. I review the work them where fan them want a better understanding of. Or some of the work them where they want just to hear what me have to say about it. Because them have their own opinion too, you know. So it feels like them have their own opinion, but them have to hear what Rawpa Crawpa have to say. So I have to come and I have to deal with it. You understand? Khago, as a writer, he's a creative writer, and on the interview him also say the first song when him really write was sit down in him place. Every song in freestyle off on head. And next question I have to ask, as I asked already, is the problem lie with the artists them, or the problem lie with the viewers and the listeners? Because even me myself, I share a lot of video. I do a lot of review. Not only on YouTube, but more so even on Facebook as well. Because every review I go on Facebook, I bring on YouTube. And me realize the more controversial the song sound, the further I reach. The more calm, the more nice, something where you and your partner can relax and bubble to our children and anybody can hear. Me post a review then, me have to put in work for you move. Because me have to constantly share it. On the other side, me just share the controversial one. And everybody gone with it. One time and everybody gone with it. So me have to wonder if we, the listeners and the viewers and the public, are force the artists them to do some derogative song. And then we see one turn around and beat them and backlash them for the nonsense what we might say them do for put out. And at the same time, when them do the proper song and the positive song, you know, reach nowhere. Help me with the part there. And even if a person say, but Rawpa, young girl review this and young review that. Me, as me always telling you when I come to YouTube, they review them, me review whatever you say me review, or what the fans them send to me. And you see, even if I don't like something, I don't want to review something, you see more than 6 fans send that to me, I don't have no choice but to do it, because I'm not for myself, I'm for the public. And for the public call for Rawpa Crawpa have to do what the public call for. That's just my motto and my thing as a blogger. Everybody free to do what they want to do, but anytime the public say, whether I like it, yes I know I want to do it, yes I know, but the public demand, so the public get what they want. The struggle is real. So people, as me say, go and check out the tune if you haven't heard properly and make your own judgment, pass your own assumption upon it. If you like the song, you like it. Anyhow, the rhythm bossy. If you not talk about in tongue, it's tune hard. John always said, it sound like me as if I talk about in tongue, you know about the hard again. Bumbo clock, the struggler, I don't know, that's a hypocrite. We say just because I talk about in tongue, you know about the hard. I wouldn't about the hard, I would have because me as a listener, I say, no, I'm not really interested if you about no man tongue, you know. Bumbo lad, I say fucked up again. But I prefer to listen about the gun. Fucked up mentality sometime, you know, but no, I'm gonna leave it right there so for you next time.